All right guys, good morning, not good morning. This is kind of a surprise video. This is literally after I left Northwood Manufacturing. I got notified of something that I have to check out. Of course, being a truck camper channel, I love truck campers. They said, well, you're gonna really like this truck camper. This truck camper behind me, right there, is the only one of its kind. It's the model 1163. Now Northwood has a model that's 1140 and 1150, but they only made one 1163. So I'm gonna do a short video, probably actually be the same length as my other ones, but quickly before they close down. They close down in about an hour and a half. So what's special about this RV? Well, as I'm looking at it right now, one slide. The door is on the side of the RV, not the back. We've got two slides. This thing's huge. Oh no! Three slides. Three slides in a truck camper. Okay, let's go take a look inside. Come on. This must weigh a ton. Oh, let me open the door like this. So you see exactly what I see right now. Dun dun dun. Oh my God. Look at this camper. How is this even possible? This is in the box of your truck. Oh my God. Okay, so we're gonna take a full tour of this 1163. For a lot of you, for most of you, for anyone who doesn't live in this area, this is gonna be the first and only time you'll get to see this camper. So it kind of makes it special. I believe the reason that they didn't follow through with production with this camper is simply because it's heavy. You need more than a 1-ton dually to haul this camper. If you have the right setup, this is an amazing option. But for the normal person, like myself or you guys, we've got trucks, we've got single wheel trucks, dualies, half tons, 3/4 tons. This needs a little bit more than all of that. Okay, so I don't even know where to start. Actually, let's start on the outside. We'll work our way inside and we'll just enjoy this once-in-a-lifetime experience. Brought to you by Taylor. If you're just tuning into this video right now, my name's Taylor. I live in a Arctic Fox 2017 990 truck camper with one slide, not three. And I'm just down here in La Grande, Oregon, touring the Northwood manufacturing plant. Northwood is the company who makes Arctic Fox. So that's kind of why I'm in this position. That's why I'm here right now. And I'm gonna give you the best tour that you ever had. Let's go. Alright guys, let's flip the mic around so that you can hear me, and let's start going around this thing. First thing I'm noticing, unless I'm just noticing it and it's not true, but it looks like it sticks out a whole lot farther than mine, of the cab over part. You've got the same jacks, I believe, at least they look the same. You've got portable water outlet right here, and then this is a satellite port. You've got your shower, you've got your, what looks to be your water heater. And I'm not quite sure what these are called, but when the camper is on its jacks, these are gonna stable it so that it's not shaking and not rolling around too much when you're inside of it. Really like the side entrance right here. The steps are a little bit different. On the back, you've got your slide out. Underneath, you've got a 20-pound propane bottle there. And a whole bunch of storage, all your wiring. That looks like it's your black water tank there. So a lot of storage in the back here. And I'm guessing that this is more storage. Ah, right on. Your golf clubs could fit perfectly back here. What kind of generator are we running? Looks to be, yes, the same one as mine. So the 2500 propane Cummins Onan generator. We've got your batteries here. More storage. Even more storage. Much more than my 990. And that is basically the outside. So let's hop inside and check out what they've done different inside. Well, They've done everything different. So this whole back part slides out, makes it a nice, very roomy couch area. And as I'm looking straight ahead, there's a TV right ahead of me. So how nice is that? You've got your dinette over on the left-hand side, which looks just like my 990 does. But something that I'm falling in love with immediately is this island. You rarely see, well, I don't even know if another camper makes an island with their truck camper. You usually see these in fifth wheels, sometimes bigger travel trailers, but I've never seen one in a truck camper. So this is very, very nice. Now, of course, there's a slide out here. The slide out has your fridge, your stove, and your microwave on it. When that's slid in, you probably can't access this area right here. Same with this area. Once this is slid in, you probably can't access your bed, which for somebody like me isn't very ideal, because if you don't know who I am, I live in my camper full time. So I sleep on side streets and I rarely put the slide out. This unit is perfect for if you stay at campsites or if you stay longer stays in certain areas. You can put all 3 slides out and you've got a miniature apartment in here. But for me, it's not very practical, although I do love the idea. All right, so as we continue along, I'm sure that I'm missing a few things, but this is just what I can see in my general outlook at it. We've got your panel right here for all of your functions. Looks like every other truck camper. Looks like you do have solar panels up top. Let's take a look in here. Oh, I love this mirror idea. Because I actually had to put a mirror on my fridge, just something that sticks up on my fridge because my 990 doesn't have a mirror. So I actually stuck my mirror on the freezer part of my fridge. Let's open up the bathroom door, and you've got a beautiful dry bath. So dry bath, really nice. A wet bath is the other option. The wet bath has the toilet and the shower and everything combined. Everything gets soaked, but with this dry bath, you've got your bathroom area, your toilet area, and then your shower is the only thing that gets wet in there. This is a beautiful washroom. And then in all the Arctic Fox products, they've got that big skylight up there so that if you're a big tall guy like me, you can fit no problem in the shower. All of this storage I do not have the luxury of having. And then as we creep back here, this is your bed. Oh yes. Okay, yep. Oh man. Oh, is this roomy. This is massive. I'm 6'2½", give or take, so that gives you an idea of how big this this bed is. You could easily fit 2 people, and storage all along the sides. And then of course, fantastic fan. For if it gets a little bit hot, you can pop a window up over here, which I've learned. Pop a window at the back, turn your fantastic fan to suck air out, and then that air travels through the RV. And where I'm from, which is Vancouver Island, you rarely need air conditioning throughout the summer months if you do that. I am falling in love with this camper. That island that you're sitting on right now, that's an incredible idea. I don't know how you would incorporate that into a smaller camper though. You just can't, because that's like your space where that island is right there if you don't have 3 slides. Wow. Incredible. So like I said, guys, there's probably many more features of this RV. I just thought it'd be neat to film it and to show you guys so that you can see, like I said, once in a lifetime opportunity to see this camper. Good job. Good job, Arctic Fox. Good job, Northwood. So that's it for me, my friends. I hope that I kept this video short. I just wanted to show you this amazing amazing RV. One in a lifetime experience. So pretty neat. If you're just tuning in, you're more than welcome to subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of RV videos. I've got lots of RV tours. Till next time, my friends, keep living that dream. As always, it's a pleasure hanging out with you. Take care of yourselves, and bye-bye. If I just held this camera angle right here, does this look like a smaller travel trailer? Yes, it does. Oh, no, it's a truck camper. It fits in the box of your truck. That's insane. Also, a big shout out to Thunder RV for letting me come and explore that beast right there.